Hey guys, if you're looking for how you can download and install Sublime text editor, then you are in the right place. Watch this video until the end because I'm about to show you step-by-step process to download and install the latest version of Sublime text editor from the official website on your Windows 11 PC correctly. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, copy this link. I have provided this link in the video description. Now open up your favorite web browser. I am using Google Chrome here. Then paste the copied link into the search bar and hit enter. This is a step-by-step detailed blog post explaining how to download and install Sublime text editor on Windows 11. Scroll up and find step 1. Here, look for Download Sublime Text and click on this link. It will open official page for downloading the latest version of Sublime Text. Click on Download for Windows button. And now you can see Sublime Text installer file started downloading here. Once the downloads get finished, click on this up arrow and select Show in Folder. We need to install this file. Simply double click on this file and it will start the setup wizard. Let me close all other windows so that we can focus on installation part. It says select destination folder. We will just stick to default here. It will take 66 MB of disk space. Click on next button. No need to change anything here. Click on next button. Finally, it is ready to install. Click on Install button. It starts the installation process. It will take some time to install. It says Sublime Text has been successfully installed. Now we can click on Finish button. To open Sublime Text, click on Windows button and type Sublime and select Sublime Text. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Sublime Text on a Windows 11 machine correctly. If you followed the steps in this video and reached until here, I'm assuming this method has been working for you. So I'm requesting you to please like the video and subscribe to my channel. It won't cost you anything, but it will definitely boost my morale for making more such videos. Subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't miss more videos helping you to learn how to download and install applications easily. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.